Hello, friends. Welcome to the new episode of What Happened in China. Get ready to discover this incredible culture, tradition, and amazing landscape of this fascinating country. Subscribe and join this exciting adventure. Let's start. My adventure began with an exciting trip to Zhangjiajie, a city located in the Hunan province, China. Before getting on the cable car to explore the city and the surroundings, I decided to do some research on an history and what awaiting for me in this magical destination. Zhangjiajie has a rich history dating back thousands of years. The city has been inhabited since ancient times and had witnessed various dynasty and cultural change over time. The region has been influenced by Tujia and Miao culture, giving it unique and authentic character. Near Zhangjiajie, there are several picturesque villages that have preserved their tradition and customs over the years. The Tujia and Miao village offer visitors an authentic glimpse of rural life in China, with their wooden houses and thatched roof. Among the many legends surrounding Zhangjiajie, one of the best known is that Zhang Liang, a famous military strategist who lives in the ancient China. It's said that he meditated in a cave in the Zhangjiajie mountains, which gave him wisdom and supernatural powers. Finally, it's quite time to get on the cable car and begin our adventure through the heights. From the cable car windows, we were unable to appreciate the impressive rock formation and lush forests that surround the city. As we ascend in the cable car, the Zhangjiajie mountains reveal themselves in their majestic spiky rock formations, and dense green jungles create a truly magical landscape. High up in the mountains, we were amazed to see how people have built their homes and found their ways to live in harmony with nature. The hilltop village offers breathtaking panoramic views and a unique perspective on life on the Zhangjiajie. In addition to the mountains, Zhangjiajie is also famous for its suspension bridge that connects cliffs, offers visitors a thrilling and dazzling experience. Zhangjiajie became famous worldwide thanks to James Cameron's movie Avatar. Many of the rock formations in the Zhangjiajie National Park were the inspiration for the floating mountains in this film. Walking the trails of Zhangjiajie allow us to immerse ourselves in the magic of the nature. The mist-covered mountains and crystal-clear waterfalls create a mystical and magical atmosphere. Descending from the cable car, we head to the nearby Tujia village to learn about the culture and tradition. Tujia villages are full of wooden houses decorated with intricate design and paintings. The inhabitants of the Tujia village receive us with warm hospitality, sharing with us their food, dance, and tradition. It was an enriching experience to learn more about their way of life and the rich cultural heritage. During our visit to the village, we sampled delicious local cuisine such as fermented tofu, sweet and sour dishes, and bamboo-based delicacies. The authentic flavors and traditional recipes left us with an unforgettable taste. Walking through the fields and paths of the nearby towns allow us to appreciate the beauty and simplicity and the connection with the nature characteristic rural life. After spending time in the cable car exploring the nearby towns, we returned to Zhangjiajie and were amazed by the city's vibrant atmosphere. The streets of Zhangjiajie come alive with bright lights and lively music. The restaurants and bars are full of people enjoying the ambient. After some unforgettable days in Zhangjiajie, we say goodbye to with a heart full of memories and experiences that we will treasure forever. Zhangjiajie is a city full of natural wonders and rich culture. The combination of breathtaking landscape and the authenticity of rural life made our trip unique and meaningful. As we draw away from the Zhangjiajie, we vow to return one day to further explore and beauty and learn about this fascinating history and culture. We take us with not only memories, but also feelings of having lived an unforgettable experience in this corner of China. Concluding our trip, we fondly remember every moment in the Zhangjiajie village and mountain, from the majesty of the mountain to the warmth of the nearby towns. It was a trip that really is worth to try and spend time on this cable car because you can enjoy the beauty of the natural and also homes and different parts of this mountain make an atmosphere completely unforgettable. I hope you enjoyed exploring this wonderful country as much as I did. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exciting content about China. See you soon in the next episode. Have a good day. Bye bye.